How many hours do you get in a day to do gardening? Or do you do gardening on the weekends only? Let's look at the other side as well. Are you someone in the list who love plants but not gardening?
Everyone loves plants for ambience. Some people practice gardening to deal with depression and anxiety, while others do it for mental peace and their love for plants. But often we fail to maintain our garden due to the other work commitments.
If you are one of them, have love for plants but no time, watch this video carefully till the end. I am going to discuss 5 timeless master gardening tips that are extremely helpful for you and your plants. Let's start it. Hello everyone, I am Ranjita. Thank you so much for participating in the Seeds Giveaway 2020 contest. The name will be displayed later in the video along with a short clip of the packaging of all the seeds. Now let's get into the video. In gardening, which do you think play the most important role in the growth of a plant? Of course, soil, right? Here is the first tip.
You have no time to prepare a good potting mix before planting. What should you do? Collect all the soil from the garden containers and make them empty. Now take one pot, add the first layer 2 inches of soil to that. Every day you get kitchen waste like vegetable peels and tea leaves. Collect them up. Add these waste to the soil and spread evenly. Once it is done, add 2 inches layer of soil on the top and cover the scraps properly. Don't add water after that. Next day, add the next layer of scraps and repeat this process until you cover the pot with the last layer of soil. Similarly, fill all of your empty containers. After 15 days, the first container will be ready for direct plantation. Similarly, the rest of the pots will get ready later after that.
During the process, I am 100% sure that you will not find any bad smell and insects if you follow the same process that I showed up.
This way, I have filled up all of my containers. Within 15 days, these scraps will get decomposed and becomes compost. At the time of plantation, you don't have to add any extra compost to the soil. Directly take the seedlings and put them in the soil.
What next? Well, your seedlings will grow very fast without facing any nutrient deficiency. Let's move ahead to the next step. You are completely packed with the office works and forgot to sow the seeds. You have no time for it, but at the same time, you don't want to miss the season. You know what? At the last moment, you could do this. How? Let's see that.
This task takes 5 minutes only. Take these kinds of clean containers. Now take a tissue paper and have 3-4 folds. Now consider this as one bed. Similarly, prepare more number of beds for seeds. Sprinkle a few drops of water on the tissue papers. Now put the seeds on them. Here you can see I have put ladyfinger, 2 types of tomatoes, chili, brinjal in one container only. Now seal the container, keep it inside your room. Remember, don't keep it under sunlight. After 2 days, be ready for the surprise. Your seeds will be ready to transfer to the soil. Your soil is ready, seeds are also ready. Take all of your seedlings once they germinate and put them in soil. By this method, you will become 100% sure about the type of vegetables you are growing in a container.
Imagine your friend gave you a few cuttings of a plant that you love the most, but you have no clue about where to plant as you are too busy. What should you do then?
It's pretty simple. Take all the cuttings and put them in water. See, these cuttings are growing in water for a month. Let them grow until you make a plan to transfer into the soil. But remember to change the water every 3 to 4 days.
I know you can manage this. It takes few seconds only. Let's move ahead to the next step. Gardening is simple, but other factors make it difficult for us sometimes. I'm talking about peasants.
Imagine the situation: you have completed all the gardening work at the last minute. The next day you wake up and see your plants are ruined by the peasants. How to avoid these situations?
Think one step ahead. Cover your entire balcony with a net protector. But what the others will do who do gardening on the terrace or ground? Here is the tip.
Having walks at hand, it is impossible to keep an eye on the plants every time. Collect these types of sticks and poke them around the plants in the soil deeply. Peasants cannot reach to the plants. If they do, will get trapped for the first time, but next time they won't show up. In most of our videos you might have noticed these sticks that were poked to avoid peasants only. Go for this tip.
This is the simplest yet important tip.
Use of plastic containers for plants. Plastic containers retain moisture for many days. By using them, you will be saved from giving water daily to your plants. You may give water once in a week on the weekends only. Plastic containers are like blessings for busy plant lovers. These are the best pro-label gardening tips that not only save you lots of time spent in gardening, but help you grow and maintain healthy plants.
Remember these tips and apply them today. Thank me later. Now let's have a sneak peek of the seeds giveaway contest.
Here I am packing the seeds. I have received many requests from different places, but honestly that quantity of seeds are not available now. Please don't feel down. I know your expectations are high. It was not a planned giveaway, else I could have arranged a sound quality of seeds, but you will get a chance to get the seeds next time. Here is the list of recipients that are expected to receive the seeds.
Thank you so much for showing your patience. Next time you may get a chance to win. For that, be in touch and keep watching. Congratulations to them who are going to receive the seeds. Seeds are dispatched already. Once you receive the packet, do comment and mention you received it. After you receive, sow the seeds immediately. Happy gardening! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show your love. Subscribe to see more videos like this and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.